young girl who gets knocked up every 2 weeks because I need a mother to love me? Am I a young girl in 11th grade at the age of 23? Or is that just what my parents tell me? Or are they just ones who raised the incredible sister one? Or am I too the one with the mind of 8 the soul of none? Am I love or in love or loving to be loved? I do love, not feel love. Or do I have an aversion for love? Am I supposed to love a man who rocks J's and keeps J's on his face? Is my name Sinye, or is that the name that my God gave? Or does the creativity of my name go back to slaves? Am I a young back smoking crack rappers going to see an early grave? Or am I wait to see my successive days? Am I to learn to feel the burn and yearn for my succeeding ways? Or am I to stay out, drop out, and fulfill my dancing craves? I am who I expect myself to be. No longer looking for myself and pushed on the life of this